Soalan 6. Alright, darling. Okay, the diagram 3 shows two sectors AOB and OCD with arcs AB and CD centered at O. Okay, the angle AOB is 0.52 radian. The length of OA is 6 cm. And the length of arc CD is 5.98 cm. Okay, calculate the length in cm of OD. Okay, kita nak cari panjang OD. So, okay, by using the length of arc, okay, cikgu masukkan nilai 66. And then, this is our angle. And this is our length of arc. So, how to find CD? How to find OD? Okay, by using the length of arc formula. So, kita dah ada S. So, S is R theta. Our R is 6. Okay, bukan. Our R is R lah. Kita cari R kan. And then our theta is 0.52. Cikgu replace R with OD. So, cikgu dapat macam ni. Satukan dia. And OD is 11.5 ZAS. Okay, for the question B. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, how to find the area? So, we have to find the area all sector. Maksudnya sector DOC and minus the sector BOA. So, kita akan dapat the remaining area. Alright, so how? Okay, so kita carilah area sector DOC by using the formula 1/2 R squared theta. R kita dah dapat 11.5, the big sector 1. Okay, this is theta. Okay, kita dapat. Tengok, kalau kamu punya desimal banyak, kita ambil 4 tempat perpuluhan lah. Sebab cikgu punya desimal elok-elok 3, cikgu tulis 3 lah. So, jom kita cari area sector BOA. By using the same formula, but the different length of the different length of R. So, the second one, R is 6, but equal radians. Okay. Okay, this is your area sector BOA. And then the area of the shaded region is, okay, sector DOC minus BOA. Alright, selesai.